Lake views from every room plus porches and patios to enjoy the views as well as outdoor living. Step inside and you find an updated 3-bed, 3.5-bath waterfront home on beautiful Plantation Point located just 1 block from Reynolds Marina. This stunning and open floor plan is perfect for entertaining a large party or escaping to a quiet space for peace and tranquility in one of several cozy and picturesque spaces around the home. Large gathering areas on each level open to beautiful and sprawling covered wrapped porches and patios overlooking lake views of Lake Oconee's breathtaking sunsets. The newly renovated main level owner's suite features a lakeview floor-to-ceiling window wall, custom-built closet and spa-like luxurious bath. There is a second master suite on the terrace level offering the same spectacular lake views as the owner's suite above to include exceptional closet space and private renovated bath. The flex room on main floor can serve as a formal dining room or, as shown in photos, a spacious home office. The home's interior and exterior have just been painted and hardwood flooring exquisitely finished. The dock is a shared dock for daily use. Boat storage is available through Reynolds Marina, which is steps away for service and gas as well. Reynolds Lake Oconee is an award-winning 6.5 golf course and lake community with numerous amenities including tennis, pickleball, shooting club, fitness center.